safe, secure, and reliable. Best of all, you can deposit and withdraw your cash whenever you want. Go to the App Store and download the DraftKings Casino app now to experience the casino floor like never before. Start playing your favorite casino games from the palm of your hand with DraftKings Casino today. Gambling problem? Call Connex Ontario, 1-866-531-2600. 19 plus. Physically present in Ontario. Eligibility restrictions apply. See casino.draftkings.com for details. Please play responsibly.
Hands at Heart Center and HSBC's GIC.
Do you mean namaste?
In today's unstable markets, nothing can center us like a guaranteed return of up to 4.88% per year on HSBC's GICs.
One of Canada's best rates.
Mm-hmm.
Peace of mind in a world of uncertainty banks with us. HSBC Bank. Rates are subject to change without notice. Offer valid until March 31st, 2023. For details, terms, and conditions, visit hsbc.ca/special rates.
This house is freezing. We need a new furnace.
I'm calling Atlas Care. All our neighbors use Atlas Care, and they are Google guaranteed.
For a limited time, Atlas Care Heating and Air Conditioning is offering last year's pricing. Save up to $3,000 in instant rebates on a new system. Plus, don't pay for 12 months with 0 down and 0% interest. Same day and next day appointments available. Hurry, this limited offer ends February 15th. Google Atlas Care today and let the pros in the green trucks save you big bucks.
Great Wolf Lodge Indoor Water Park Resort is the perfect place to come together and discover the most family fun under one roof. Whip down water slides, battle dragons, blast your friends
Oh
on laser
my
tag,
God.
and play mini golf. Your trip will be an experience that brings joy to every family member. For the best prices, go to greatwolf.com. Great Wolf Lodge. Don't just get away, come together.
Place to find everything you need for your perfect day. But nothing's perfect, especially if your fiance's car breaks down en route to your perfect venue.
Bride here. With the Intact Insurance app, you can add roadside assistance, so whatever happens, he's gonna make it. And it's gonna be a perfect day.
Okay, when things aren't perfect, Intact Insurance makes it better.
Perfect.
Just make it Intact. Visit intact.ca or talk to your broker. Conditions apply.
The Hudson's Bay seasonal clearance event is on now. Prices you won't believe on brands you love like Mango, Levi's, Hudson North, Steve Madden, and more. Some up to 75% off. Sale ends February 23rd or while quantities last. Some exclusions apply. Shop Hudson's Bay online and in store.
There's a local place to get healthcare. Shoppers Drug Mart pharmacists can write prescriptions for minor ailments like UTI, allergies, and more. Book an appointment online at shoppersdrugmart.ca/minor illness or visit in store. Prescriptions only available at pharmacist discretion.
Please be advised, if you find winter driving distressing, the following is a real audio clip of a Subaru driving on an unplowed mountain pass in the Yukon in minus 23-degree conditions. Just listen to Subaru's standard symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive go work on all that ice and snow. And that sound is our confident driver whistling Beethoven's Fifth, I believe. Visit your local Subaru dealer and really own winter with uncommon winter capability.
98.1 CHM.